Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can easily create a professional-looking trending video using only your laptop or desktop. So, make sure to watch this video till the end, because if you miss any part, you might get confused later. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gemini AI first. Open any browser. Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or whichever you prefer. In the search bar, type Gemini AI and press Enter. You will see the official Gemini website at the top of the results. Click on it. If you are visiting Gemini for the very first time, you will be asked to sign up. The easiest way is to sign up using your Google account. Just click Sign Up with Google and you're done. It takes less than a minute. Step 2. Creating the picture. Once you are inside Gemini, look at the top. Next to the plus icon, you will find an option. From there, select Nano Banana. After that, click the plus icon again and upload a nice high-quality picture from your device. Now, in order to generate the picture properly, you will need to use a prompt. Don't worry, I will make it super easy for you. The exact prompt I am using is already given in my video's description box, as well as in the comment section. All you need to do is copy it from there and paste it into Gemini. After you paste the prompt, wait just a few seconds. Gemini will process it, and your brand new picture will be ready. Once the image is generated, simply download it to your computer. Step 3. Converting the picture into a video. Now, it's time to move on to the second part. Open a new browser tab and type labs.google. Press Enter, and you will see the official Google Labs website. Click on it, and once again, sign up with your Gmail account. Inside Google Labs, you will see an option called Frames to Video. This is the tool we are going to use. Click on it. On the right-hand side, you will notice some ratio options. For example, 9:16 for vertical videos or 16:9 for horizontal videos. Select the one that suits your project best. Now, upload the picture that you created earlier with Gemini AI. Depending on your internet speed, the upload might take a few seconds, so be patient. Step 4. Adding the effect. After the upload is complete, type in the command Add Slow Moment and click Send. Within 1 to 2 minutes, Google Labs will process everything and create a smooth, professional-looking video for you. And that's it. Your video is ready. You can now download it and use it for your projects, social media posts, or even upload it to YouTube to catch the latest trends. So, friends, that's the complete process. As you can see, it's very simple and anyone can do it without any special skills. If you found this tutorial helpful, please support the channel by subscribing, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Your support really means a lot and helps me create more useful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.